Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like the stock market moves in ways that just don't make sense? One day everything's up, the next it's all red, and you're left wondering why. Well, the secret to understanding these movements often lies in the news. Staying informed isn't about reacting to every headline. It's about understanding the big picture. Financial news gives you the context behind why a stock is soaring or tumbling. It helps you make decisions based on facts and trends, not just fear or hype. By knowing what's happening with the economy, interest rates, and global events, you can spot opportunities and avoid major risks before they hit your portfolio. So today, we're diving into the essential news sources that every serious investor should have on their radar. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the global giants. These are the heavyweights that professionals rely on. Bloomberg is at the top of the list. It provides real-time market data and in-depth coverage of stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies from all over the world. It's incredibly comprehensive, making it a favorite for serious investors who need to know what's happening right now. Next is Reuters. If you want fast, unbiased, and straight-to-the-point reporting, Reuters is your go-to. They are known for their factual breaking news and macroeconomic updates without the sensationalism you might find elsewhere. It's perfect for getting the core facts quickly. And then there's the Financial Times, or FT. While the others are great for what's happening, the FT is fantastic for understanding why it's happening. It offers deep analysis on global markets, business strategy, and economic policy, making it ideal for long-term investors who want to connect the dots. Now, if you're more focused on the day-to-day movements of the stock market, there are a few sources you absolutely need to know. CNBC is probably the most well-known. They offer live market updates from the trading floor, cover company earnings as they're released, and feature interviews with top CEOs and market analysts. It's a great way to get a feel for the market's daily mood. But a word of caution, you need to learn to filter out the noise from the truly useful information. For something more accessible, there's Yahoo Finance. It's a fantastic, free, and beginner-friendly platform. You can find stock charts, earnings data, and analyst opinions all in one place. It's an excellent starting point for any retail investor. Another great one is MarketWatch. They do a great job of explaining market trends and also provide practical investing tips and personal finance advice, all in a very easy-to-understand format that's perfect for beginners. Beyond daily market news, it's critical to understand the economic forces that drive everything. For this, you should go directly to the source. The Federal Reserve's website, or the site of your country's central bank, is essential. This is where you'll find official announcements on interest rate decisions and monetary policy. Understanding these reports is key to figuring out where inflation and the broader market might be heading. For a global perspective, the websites of the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, are invaluable. They publish reports on global economic outlooks and development trends. This is especially useful if you invest in international stocks or emerging markets, as it gives you a high-level view of economic health around the world. These sources aren't as flashy as TV news, but the information they provide is what the big players are watching. Finally, let's talk about getting information on specific companies. If you're picking individual stocks, nothing is more important than company-specific data. The most direct source is a company's own earnings report, which they usually release every quarter. These reports tell you everything about their performance, revenue, profit, and, most importantly, their guidance for the future. This is the ultimate report card for a company. For an even deeper dive, you need to look at SEC filings, like the 10K and 10Q reports. These are detailed documents that companies are required to file, and they contain a goldmine of information about the business's finances, potential risks, and management strategies. Reading these might seem intimidating at first, but it's where you'll find the details that most investors overlook. It's a non-negotiable step for anyone serious about fundamental analysis. So there you have it, a rundown of the essential news sources that can help you become a more informed and successful investor. We've covered global platforms, stock-focused media, economic data sources, and company-specific reports. Remember, the goal isn't to be overwhelmed by information, but to build a habit of staying informed with reliable sources. In our next video, we'll dive into some more specialized and niche sources that can give you an extra edge. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss part 2. See you next time.